Here we go, guys. Just a real quick update on oil, gold, and silver. Starting off with oil, of course, here. We caught this top mainly because we have this double pivot up here. As you can see, a 180 up and down. And then we did the same thing here. Plus, we had this measured move, which is about a 80 plus percent success rate when price is coming up into it. It's rejected, and obviously when it's coming down, it holds its support for a short period of time. So our members know how to calculate that, and it really helps a lot, obviously. Now, right now, today, as we look at this chart, oil is under its daily 200 simple day moving average. And once you get under there, most times it's hard to get back up. So if we fail here and we get 2 more days down, obviously we'll be coming into this support around 76, 86 is low pivot zone here. That was previous support. And then again, we got rejected by the 200 along the zone, price zone here, came through our support. And then, a few days later, we're able to get back over it. So looking for a potential target here if we can't get back up and over that descending to 200. So we're just going to stay short here, hold and mode until we get a potential reversal candle and confirmation. Now going to gold, had a nice rise here, and we're just simply pulling back into that 20. The 20 needs to hold, and most times you get under the 20, right, similar to this, get over the 20. When you come back, if the 20 holds and then you get a green candle over the next couple of days here, then we'll have another pop to the upside. Okay, if we cannot hold that 20, which is very important, if we can't hold it, then we're going to come back down here, probably even into this blue dash line, support, even over in this area there's consolidation. So yeah, we could see a retrace into that 2300 if this 20 doesn't hold. That's how important that is right now, because we have a high pivot here, consolidation over there, another pivot here that was previous resistance. And if that resistance should be support now along with the 20, and if it doesn't hold as support, then that, of course, we're going to tumble down a little bit. Okay, silver, as you can see, we were in a sideways price consolidation zone. And I'll put this box here just to kind of bring your eye to it to more clearly see. And we call this an inside bar. So that green bar, everything closing in here. Now you can wick under it like we did here a little bit or over it. But what counts is when you either break to the downside and you can clearly see it, or you can break to the upside. But price is trapped in there. You just sit on your hands 100% of the time because that's the only place it can go, either to the upside or downside. Obviously here we're to the downside, and we have this pivot consolidation zone here, similar to what we saw in this range. Of course, we broke down, wick into it, support here, support there, and now we're back down there into that support. So many areas across this level, around 29 bucks, quite frankly, low 29 that have held. So that needs to, for silver, this needs to hold, or we're going to drop possibly into, well, the next would be this. As you come down, a little trick is the next either high pivot or low pivot area, which would be around 2770. Okay, but right now we're holding here, but if that breaks, you just bring your line down, and then the next, high pivot or low pivot support or resistance would be the next potential target. Okay, but guys, appreciate you watching. If you want to learn how to do this stuff on your own, we have a 50% off link for a short period of time, and we'll put that in the description. In the meantime, we will see you on the charts.